Well, here we have a Ford Focus 2015, and we're going to check the volume. We can allow different volume levels in the car. So let's set this one so we have a volume limiter on it, and they can't play music really loud. Let's check this out. Let's take the administration key, turn the key forward. We're going to go to the settings on the steering wheel, and let's scroll over left, go to settings, using your controls on the steering wheel here. Let's settings, scroll down, MyKey, scroll down, speed warning, nope. Volume limiter, we can turn that on, and we don't have to worry about noise levels in the neighborhood. So if you're thinking about putting that setting on your car when your kids are driving, well, there you have it. Hope you liked this post. Hopefully it solved some of your problems with the noise in the neighborhood. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next post.